dears. Today we are going to discussing about the remaining topics of our quadrilaterals. Okay, so I hope that the previous topics all of you understood. So we are going to discussing about the remaining things. We are going to discussing about exercise 3.3. Fifth problem. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, the measure of two adjacent angles. The measure of two adjacent angles. Oh, this is a parallelogram. Suppose the parallelogram AB, C, D. Okay, so the measure of this parallelogram. Okay, the measure of this parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, measure of the parallelograms, the measure of two adjacent angles of the parallelogram. Okay, the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio. Okay, suppose these are the two adjacent angles. Okay, so let the angles, we can take these two angles are in the ratio 3:2. So let the angles are 3x, 2x. If the ratio is given, then we can write 3:2, that is a ratio. So the angles we can take 3x and 2x. Here the opposite angles are equal. So this is, suppose this is 2x and this is 3x. Okay, then the opposite is 3x and this also 2x. Okay, so we need to find all the angles. We need to find all the angles. All angles we need to calculate. So how we can calculate all the angles? So it is very easy. We can calculate all the angles. How we can do? The sum of the angles of a parallelogram is 360 degree, because you know that sum will be 360 degree. Okay, in that method you can use. Otherwise what you can do, another method is also you can use. So this is 3x and this is 2x. This is 3x and this is 2x. Okay, so these are two parallel lines cut by a transverse. Parallel lines. Okay, so this and this are two parallel lines. This transverse. This is the interior angles. Okay, this is the interior angles on the same side of the transverse. Transverse same side interior angles are 3x and 2x. So the sum of this will be 180 degree. Okay, so you know that the sum of the angles on the transversal is cut by two parallel lines. The two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, that is 180 degree. Okay, so 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So you can write AB and CD are the parallel lines and AD is the transversal. So the sum will be sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. If you want, you can write that reason also. Okay, so 3x plus 2x equal to how much? 5x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 by 5. So how many times? 3 times. And how much is carry over? So 30 will come, so 36 degree. Okay, so the x equal to 36. Okay, so let the angles, so angle E angle, let the angles are 2x equal to 36, 3x equal to 3 into 36. 2 into 36 means 72. And 3 into 36 means 108. Okay, so 72 degree and 108 degree. Okay, 72 degree and 108 degree. So here this is 108 and the opposite angle is also 108, and this is 2x and the opposite angle is also 72. This is also 72. So we need to calculate each and every angles of the parallelogram. So let the angles are, what we can write, the angles are 108, 72, 108, 72. That is the angles of this parallelogram. You can use this method. Otherwise, the sum is 180, 360 degree. Opposite angles are equal. That also you can use. Okay, I hope that you understood this concept.